Now we're going to make a really fun, inspirational hair bow organizer. So what I'm going to do is take this great little chalkboard plaque that I picked up at Walmart, and the first thing that I'm going to do is glue my burlap. I love this burlap. I also got this at Walmart. So I'm just going to take my glue gun and just glue this down here and put this down, and then so that I don't burn my fingers, I'm just going to use a paper towel to push down the glue. And then I'm going to take some more glue. And I love the burlap because it's so fun. It matches with everything. And what's cool now is that they have the burlap that's got great designs on it. So it adds a little bit of color to your burlap. And then what I'm gonna do is put this over to the side, take my mini Bowdabra, take my Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half, and just tuck it underneath. Then I'm going to take my ribbon. Now I've already dovetailed these, but in order to dovetail my ribbon, I'm just going to cut it towards the fold. And again, I'm gonna fold it in half. And there we go. And in order to make sure that my ends don't fray, I'm just gonna use my lighter. And now I'm just gonna put my pieces of ribbon down into my mini Bowdabra, so we kind of have a little spiky, oh, whoops, messed up. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put my boa in. And then I'm gonna take my ribbon, and it's basically a spiky bow, and lay that down in there, and take my Bowdabra one, just scrunch that down, and then take my wire, pull the two ends through my slip knot, hold the bow down, pull it really tight while it's still in the mini Bowdabra, separate my ends, bring them around to the back, and just tie it off. And I'm going to knot it. And I'm just going to cut the ends. And what I love about this is with the chalkboard, you can put an inspirational saying every day. Here goes I'm gonna take my, oh, whoops, I'm using my lighter to put glue. All right, I'm not gonna say I'm a little ditzy today. And I'm gonna put my rhinestone on there, and just kind of fluff the bow, and put my bow right there. And I'm going to take a piece of chalk, and today's will be amazing. And then I'm not gonna hang this yet because I'm gonna wait for the glue to dry, but we can then put our hair bows and organize them.